Today, I will talk about how exercise improve mental and physical health. Is Chojin.
My name is Liakana.
My name is Lisa.
My name is Morning.
Hello, my name is Lisa. Mental health improvement mode boosting physical activity stimulate the release of feel good neurotransmitter such as serotonin, dopamine, and endorphin, which can improve mood and reduce feeling of depression and anxiety. Stress management. Exercise help regulate cortisol, the body primary storage mode, and build resilience to better cope with stress.
Cognitive function. Regular activity increases blood flow and oxygen to the brain, supporting brain health. To the brain, memory, focus, and concentration. Better sleep. It helps regulate sleep pattern, learning to improve rest and overall mental energy.
Cardio early aerobic exercise and hands-on heart and lung function reducing the risk of heart disease. It managed by binding counseling and disconnecting metabolic
Disease prevention. Regular physical activity lower the risk of chronic condition such as high to diabetes and the thank you teacher, goodbye teacher and everyone.
I'm happy.